Military time. So what is military time? Military time is a 24-hour AM or PM system. It runs from 0000 or 2400 or 2400 to 2359 without using it M or PM. It is commonly used in hospitals, the military, aviation, emergency services. Military time has 4 digits: HH, which is the hour, MM, which is the minutes. Then we have an example, 13:45, which is 13 hours, 45 minutes. Now let's see the morning times, which is also referred to as regular time. So we should know that from 12 o'clock a.m. to 11:59 a.m., the time stays almost the same. And there is zero preceding the regular time until we get to 10 o'clock a.m. And so 12 o'clock a.m., the military time is 0000 or 2400 or 2400. Then 1 o'clock a.m. is 0100. 2 o'clock a.m. is 0200, and it goes on and on. So as we said, we have to know that a zero always precedes the regular time. But then we take all these columns out, and then there is no AM or PM. We just write them like that. And then afternoon and evening times. So for PM, we just add 12 to the hour. So example, when we are talking of the regular time, which is 2 o'clock PM, we just pick the hour 2 and then add it to 12, which is 14. And so 2 o'clock PM regular time will give us 1400 military time. Okay, so 12 o'clock PM is what? 12:00. 1 o'clock PM is 13:00. 2 o'clock PM is 14:00. And then it goes on and on until 11:59 PM, then 23:59. Then it comes back to 12 o'clock AM, 0000 or 2400. And then it continues like that. We need to know this, that when we are converting military time to regular time, if the hour is less than 12, it is AM. That means it's in the morning. Then whenever the hour is greater than 12, we subtract 12 and then we add PM to it. Okay, so we have an example of a military time like 15:45, because we are saying that when it's greater than 12, the hour is greater than 12, then we subtract from 12, and then we get 3, and then the regular time will be what? 3:45. So when you are told change 3:45 to military time, know that it's the same thing as what? 15:45. Important special times we need to also know. Whenever you see 0000 or 2400, in regular time is 12 a.m. midnight. Okay, just know this off head. And then when you see 0600 is 6 o'clock in the morning. 12:00 is 12 p.m. in the afternoon. And then 18:00 is 6 p.m. or 6 o'clock p.m. 23:59 is also 11:59 p.m. Then one tip is, if the time is p.m., just add 12 to the hour. Very simple. Whenever you see a time that is in the evening, you just add 12 to it. Okay. All right. And then whenever you see a time that the hour is greater than 12, subtract. I hope it's very clear. Okay. So if the time is PM, just add 12 to the hour. Example, 7 p.m. We just add 12 to it, and then we get 19. So 7 p.m. regular time will be 1900 military time. Now we should know that um, how nurses use military time. So in healthcare settings, military time prevents AM or PM mistakes when documenting medication times, patient charts, and medical procedures. So, example, medication given at 2100 instead of writing 9 o'clock PM. So you see, instead of writing this time on a medication, it could be written like this. Okay. Okay, so let's wrap things up and work some of the few examples we'll see in the exams. Looking at the clock, all that is written in green are our regular time, what we know already. And then 12 o'clock AM, which is in the regular time. And then 2400 and 0000, they are all midnights. And all that I've written in red is in PM. And then in blue is in AM. But they are all at military time. And then, as I said earlier, the green ones are regular time. So all these are military time. One thing that made it very easy for me with military time is I figured out that when it gets to afternoon, the temperature rises. So then every number that I see that is rising up or bigger and it's in the afternoon, working its way towards the evening. So when I see 1300, I know that it's in the afternoon. When I see 1700, I know that it started from the afternoon and then it's coming down to evening. So personally, that is how military time became very easy for me. I don't know if it will work for you too. But let's see, let's work some of the examples. So we are converting to military time, and then we are told to convert 4 o'clock p.m. normal time, regular time, to military time. So let's look at this. Regular time 4, and then p.m. And then as I said earlier, I said p.m. means what? Afternoon, evening. Then military time, then it will be what? Definitely a bigger number. Okay, so 4 o'clock p.m. So 4, we have 1600. Why? Because it's in p.m. We are dealing with p.m. So we pick what? A 16. And then the minutes 00. That is it. Okay, so we have 8:15 p.m. So the same way, let's see, normal time 8, and then we are working in p.m. red. So we are looking at 20 this time. And then what follows the minutes, which is what? 1:5. Very, very easy. Okay, let's do the same thing for 9:30 p.m. Let's go to the regular time 9. And then we are doing what? PM. So 9 p.m. is red. Okay. Okay. So 9 will be 21. And then the minutes is what? 30. That's it. Okay. The next one, we are moving to AM. 11:19, 46 seconds. AM. Do not be confused about the 46 seconds. In every examination, they try to swerve you or put things together to make it very hard for you. Don't fall for it. Okay. 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 So not falling for it. You know that we are still dealing with 11:19. 46 seconds is not important. So 11:19 a.m. Let's look at the regular time. 11:19. So 11. This time around, we are dealing with what? AM. which is blue. Then you write what? 11, right? 11, not 23. 23, we would have written 23 if it was what? PM, but it's AM. So we go for what? The blue, which is 11. And then the minis is what? 19. That's it. Forget about the 46. So 11, 19. Okay, let's move on. 2:22, 16 a.m. Okay, regular time. So we are dealing with morning. So blue 02, 02. The minis 22. That's it. Okay. All right. The next question, 12 o'clock a.m. Now let's look at the regular time. 12 o'clock a.m. Okay. We want the a.m. for military time. Okay. So let's see. We have 0000, 2400, 1200. Now remember that all that are written in red is what? PM. So we want, and then we want AM. So we will be looking at what? These two. You can write any of them. And either write 0000 or 2400. Any works. So in the exams, when you see 0000, pick it. When you don't see that, and then you see 2400, pick that one. Okay. All right, let's go to 12 o'clock p.m. So 12 o'clock p.m. Let's see, 12 o'clock p.m. So 12 p.m. This time around, we are dealing with what? PM, which is the red. Okay. All right. So looking at it, let's let me pause for a second and then see if you get it right. Okay. So if you happen to write 1200, then you are right because normal time 12 p.m. We are dealing with the PM, which is in red. So 1200. Okay. So 9:30 a.m. 9:30 a.m. This was in PM. So we did 21:30. This time around we are doing AM. So let's see. 9 a.m., which is blue. So 09 minus 30. That's it. Okay, so to the second question, convert to regular time. We are done with converting from regular time to military time. This time around, we are giving military times to convert to regular time. Okay, so 1340. Let's look at 13, where we find it. Okay, here, 13, which is military time. Let's look at the regular time. Regular is what? The green, all that is in green. That is what we are using right now. So, okay, 13, 1, you write 1. What is the minutes? 40. Is it AM or PM? 13, 13. Then I said when a number is increasing, that means it's what? In the afternoon, getting to what? The evening. So then definitely it's PM, not AM. Okay. All right. So 22:45. We look at it the same way. Military time 22. Let's look at 22. Okay, 22 is here. Okay. It's equivalent to the regular time, which is 10. And we write it. And then the minutes 45. Now 22 is in red, so it's in what? PM. Okay, very easy. Okay, so 0715. Let's see, 07, is here. 07 equivalent to what? 7 in the regular time. And then 15. Now, is it AM or PM? Okay, so it's in blue. And then blue, we said what? It's in AM. Okay, all right. 0603. 0603. Let's look at the military time. Okay, 0600 here is equivalent to what? 6. Then what? 03. Is it AM or PM? Okay, it's in blue. Blue is AM. Okay, all right. I'll give you a second to what? 1200. Okay, so let's see, 1200, 1200. Okay, equivalent to what? 12. Then 00. Okay, the military time, which is in red, 1200 is in red, which is PM. So then we are talking about PM. Okay, all right. I'll give you some time to also work this 2111. Let's see if you get it. I know you get it. Okay, so 21 is equivalent to 9. Then our minutes. 21 is what? In red. So we are dealing with PM. I know you had it. So that's very easy. Military time. Just try to memorize this. Okay. Know this. That is why I wrote it with different colors. So let's try to memorize it and then give yourself different times and then work them out. Then you see how easy military time is. So we've come to the end of military time.